Dr. Pillai is a very practical teacher, so he has in many of his teachings and his courses, he's talked about doing things fast. And so it could be as simple as you wake up in the morning and the first thing you do is make a prayer to him or talk to him. So they're already starting your day off with a connection to this master who can guide you each step of the way, no matter what you have to do in that day. Another way you can do it is if you are practicing a meditation, say you have even a mantra you're chanting, a breathing technique you're doing, perhaps you're in one of the Pillai Center programs, and you have a set meditation you're working with, you can make a prayer or have that dialogue with Dr. Pillai before you start the meditation. So if you're one of those people or you're really interested in his teachings, you're looking at videos on YouTube, even before you start that video or that teaching, you just can close your eyes for a second, do it with your eyes open, but make that personal connection through conversation or prayer. And it's really powerful because then again, you're aligning with his energy and then you're going into a practice. You're consciously starting that mantra or that meditation with his guidance, and give it a try and see what you experience if that's any different for you. Having a picture of Dr. Pillai is also a really beautiful and powerful way to bring his energy into your meditation practice. Have a picture and you can set it on your table or your altar, and then what you can do, bear with me, is you can have a candle or a ghee lamp. So some of you have ghee lamps. This is a little ghee lamp. It's just filled with ghee and then you light it like a candle. You can also use candles. I always try to get ones that don't have a lot of toxic chemicals, but you can use whatever you like. That is a form of light. So you're going to offer light to his picture. So see if I can, you can simply light the lamp and then offer it to the picture and make your prayer. Ask for the guidance you need if you're working through a problem you need his help with, or just to be more conscious, to be in the highest consciousness you can and to learn what that is through his guidance. So offering the light, and it literally takes you a few seconds. You don't have to, you have your image, or you may have, some of you might have a yantra, which is a geometric inscription, usually on some type of metal plate. You could, if you have one for Dr. Pillai, you can offer the light to the yantra. Or if there's a few people who have statues, you can do it to a statue. An image, a photo is probably the most convenient way most of us have for doing this. So again, you just offer the light to his image. And it takes a few seconds. It can take as long or as short as you like. The other thing that's really great is if you have flowers. So I just picked this flower this morning, a little hibiscus, to offer. And same thing, when you do the light, then after that you can offer the flower. Some people put whole bouquets of flowers near his picture, or just one. That's up to you how to do it, but it's also a very simple way to connect with him, and very powerful, and also really sort of this beautiful experience because it's bringing beauty into your environment and you're offering that to him. So try that. It's really a great way to do it. Chant the mantra, the Mula mantra, the Drum Dattatreya Shiva Baba mantra, another mantra if you have one from the past. You can have a picture, you can light a lamp, you can pray and have that conversation. Just remember that you have the ability to make this heartfelt connection. It's completely personal to you and Dr. Pillai, and that's the beauty of it. People do this every day and have more magic, more miracles, more blessings, more like love in their lives, and more support, feeling and knowing that you're not alone, that you can do whatever's in front of you, and that you have this enlightened master guiding you, who can support you, and you can have him as a reference point each step of the way. you.